Let's go through a little tutorial on using the Out of the Frame Studio. The Out of the Frame Studio was designed to give you a 3D kind of effect of your image popping out of a frame. So we're going to pick an image, and it should work with maternity or newborn. So we'll come here and I'll pick a maternity, and then I'll try a newborn one. And ideally, it's nice if you have something that's flowy, fabric, or things like that, but I've used it on just plain still images as well. So let's try this one. And then you can say, match my photo, let it decide, keep it modern, keep it ornate. So I'll just say, let it decide. Match my photo. What breaks out? You can say just the subject, work it out, flower petals, leaves, wrapper blanket. Right now I'll just kind of use defaults. I can say keep the frame more simple with tiny bit of ornate feeling. I could try that. You want to keep the real face. Now, some people may say, why would you alter the subject's face? Alex sells props, and when I give him my client images, he does like to alter it so that he's not using my client images. So I think that's actually a really good example if you're like a prop maker and maybe you don't want to use the baby's face of a client and you want to alter it. That might be a good reason. Or just for fun, who knows. But I think most of the time you want to keep it real. And then obviously you're going to have to give it a minute because it is going to generate. And look how soft and pretty that is. I really like that. So I'm going to keep it. And you can upscale it, make it a little bit more high res, and we can download. So now let's try another one. We're going to come in here and let's pick a baby. Let's go to one of my AI samples. Let's see. These are ones that I had done before creating this system, just to give you an idea. And this is what inspired me to build it into the system. So let's try this one. And I think we're going to say white box. And let me see what happens if I just hit just the subject. I really encourage you to just experiment with this program. You really, don't know what it's going to do. The results are going to be different. When it comes to this we're using a little bit of AI, so the results are never going to be exact. And a lot of people are like, where do I start in this system? You just kind of got to start going through the studios and just go one by one when you're reaching for social media content. And you want to post something special for a client, this is a great way to do it and to stand out. Because let's face it, on social media, a lot of everyone's work looks the same. So I like that. Very simple, very pretty. And I'm happy with both of those. So there you have it. So I encourage you, when you have a minute, to check out the Out of Frame Studio at thesocialstudiosystem.com.